Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device, and once you've launched a game, there are two ways you can increase your net worth. One is by just going to build and then placing landmarks. Placing each landmark will give you one net worth each. As you can see, I'm in 610 right now. So if I place a building, it'll increase to 611. And the other way is by completing color property tiles. For example, if I place 3 hotels here in the red property tiles, I'll get 3 net worth, and so on with the other colors. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!